Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix FiveM would not locate the Rockstar Games Launcher process. In this error seen before, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Don't forget like and comment. We can fix simply few methods right to this method. Fix it. Let's go ahead the first step. Run as admin FiveM. So go to the desktop, right click on the FiveM application, then go to the properties, then you can click on the camera tab, then we can should select the camera mode. Below we can should select the run this program as administrator. Once it's select, hit the apply and OK to close it. Then go to the next step, continue forward to fix this problem. So next step, stop FIFO launcher in background. So go to the your Windows search bar and type task manager. We can click to open it. Now we are task manager. So go to the use search bar, then type if I'm then here running this, just a right click to click on the end task. After that, come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button clicker to restart your system. After that, restart the your game, check the your game. If this try to it does not working, then go to the next step, disable Windows security. So for this, go to the your Windows search bar and type Windows security. We can click to open it. Then I go to the virus and threat protection. Then scroll down. We can click on the manage settings. Then here, if this real time protection is running, simply turn it off. After that, come to back. Then again relaunch the Rockstar game. After that, check it. If this try to it does not working. Then go to the next step. Reinstall the Rockstar game. The disable Windows security. After that, you are reinstall your Rockstar game. Then finally your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section comment. I will reply. If this method working or not working, go to the comment section comment. And if you want like this video or do you want new videos, subscribe to comment. I will reply and I will give the video. Thanks for watching.